everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of our top selling products, the wire mesh cable tray, as an open and highly flexible cable management solutions. It is very easy to install and maintain, and it perfectly balances the four core requirements of a load bearing, heat dissipation, and aesthetics and convenience. And for the materials and the size, you can customize them. You can choose the hot dip galvanized, the stainless steel, and the plastic separated. And the one now holding my hand is the plastic separated wire mesh cable tray we made. And you can choose the different colors, and for the size you can also customize them. You can customize the width and the height and the length. And for the wire mesh cable tray we have two models. One is the curved side, and another one is the straight side. You can choose whatever you want. And for the wire mesh cable tray, they are widely used in the things such as the data centers, the smart buildings, and the industrial plants. So that is our wire mesh cable tray. If you need to know more details about our products, you can feel free to contact with us, and also you can choose. You can get our catalogs and our free samples.